Hello my lovelies, hope you're okay. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a name tag for your gifts. It just adds a lovely touch. I've just made this sign. The name I'm going to make is actually Arabella. Okay, so don't worry about the sign, that's another thing. So this is the gift tag we're going to use. I got this from eBay. You can get them from Amazon, eBay, anywhere. It came with this twine already on it, but you could kind of zhuzh it up and do, I don't know, maybe put some ribbon on it, or the ribbon you're going to use for your gift. Okay, so I'm going to start off with 0.8mm wire. This is gold wire. You can use silver, any colour really, and I got this from eBay as well. We're going to need some pliers, some smaller pliers for jewellery. I have this grinder tool here, but it's actually just to make 2 holes in this. So if you have a drill with some small drill bits or something like that, then you just need to make 2 holes in this. I'm going to do it a little bit different to the name sign because the end is going to go into the wood. Okay, so this is the A we're going to do. You're going to do your A here, and then we're going to make a little line across like that. Maybe come back round like that. Okay. And then obviously you can use your pliers. There you go. And if you pull this down, it kind of straightens it out, so it's easier to work with. There's our A. Okay, so this bit is a little bit too thick, so you can kind of move that down. You're going to try not to make any nicks in the metal. Yeah. So now we've got our A. We can then do the R. We're going to go around like this. You can always use a template, and then we're going to just keep checking. You can make it as arty as you like. We're just going to keep checking it will kind of fit on here, which it will. Just thought I'd show you the kind of most amount of letters to do this. Let me know in the comments what name you are going to do, or what names. Once you get the hang of it, this is really lovely and really effective. Now we've done half of the name, well, nearly half the name. So we're just going to pop it on, see if it's going to fit, which I think it will fit beautifully there. And our B. Arab. There we are. We've done our B. You can always jiggle these about when you need to. And then effective. The E. It may look a bit crazy in the middle of it, but when you've done it, you're going to be so pleased with yourself. It's going to be fantastic. Is it still going to fit? Oh, I think so. Yeah, it will fit. It will fit, even if we have to jiggle it a little bit. Okay, I'm really excited now. And there's our other A. That's actually a little bit smaller than the other A, but we don't mind. Artistic license, there we go. Is that going to annoy me? Maybe, so we might make this a little bit smaller. Lovely. Okay, so I know it is very long, so we're just gonna scooch these up a little bit. This is like the longest name I could have done. Why would I do that? But yeah, this is actually for a gift for someone, or it's actually an order from my shop, so there we are. That is cute. I love that. Now you are going to, or you need some wire cutters. Where are my wire cutters? Okay, you can use some scissors. You could use wire cutters if you want. So, because it's so small, you can use scissors. Okay. Then you are going to, you're just going to make a couple of dots with a pencil or a pen where the A will go into. Okay, so it's going to go about here. Any type of mark is absolutely fine. And then the other A is going to go about here. Please only do this if you're an adult. These are very thick paper and card, okay? So I'm going to do it on here. And I'm literally going to hold this very tightly, put the drill bit onto the dot, and then hold it down with some pressure, and then just turn on. And that's done, okay? And then you want to do the same with the other one. Literally done. Give it a little blow. There we go. And then you can start to thread through your wire. It should go through quite easy if you've got the right size drill bit there. Okay. And I would suggest kind of doing it, that one, and kind of getting it to that stage where it's nearly at the right place. Kind of a bit of trial and error, and then you want the other bit to go in. So they're kind of like this at the same time, and then you can shape it a little bit further, like this. And don't worry, even if your name looks a bit kind of swished up or not enough or anything like that, you can kind of still move it. It's down too much. Oh my God, what have I done? Okay, I could rescue this. That is pretty. And, you know, it doesn't have to be completely straight. That's absolutely fine. You'll find your way as you go. Okay, so now, really short, about like ½ centimetre out, and then you kind of push it over like that. What do you think? Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you are making Christmas gift tags, I hope you and your family have a very, very Merry Christmas. This is the one that I made just now, Arabella. Oh, let me know in the comments what name you would do on your gift tag. If you had to choose one name. I'm not saying you've got a favourite child or anything, maybe your dog. What name would you do, and would you do it in a silver or gold? Let me know in the comments. I love you and see you next week. Bye.